today at 2:30.
What type of man? I build pipe bombs with duct tape filled with gunpowder. That's all it takes. Give me a wick, long or quick. And when it blows, molecules split. Mushroom cloud, a boom so loud. I took out the crowd. I'm so proud. Connect these wires, twist with pliers. I'm sick and a coward, no one to admire. What type of man? Rainforest jungles, deserty sands, downtown with buildings. I'll shake your land. Plastic explosives. My specialty. You'll lose a limb. Fuck it with me. Batteries and gum, cables and sensors. Right on the neck, kid. There go my answers. FBI wanna take me down. To my chest, my heart no longer pounds.
Realized this when they shook it hard and proceeded to hit it with a hammer, causing the bomb to explode.